The product lifecycle: introduction, growth, maturity, decline, and extension strategies. So let's have a look at what each of these stages indicate and some examples associated with them. The introduction stage describes the launch of a product, so the introduction of a product. It's the first phase in putting the product out there. Heavy advertisement is usually required in this stage. Stage 2 we've got is the growth stage, where sales are increasing and this generates a whole lot of profit. Then you have got the maturity stage, and this is the point where sales are at its peak. No more products are going to be bought at that point, and it also gets cheaper. Then you've got the ending point where sales start to drop down, and this is called the decline. The product's sales begin to decline and no interest is longer there. You've got extension strategies, which is all about bringing the product back to life. So as people age, products age too. So it's important to consider all the different life stages that products go through and how it is possible to bring them back into the market. So here is the graph, and you need to make sure you memorize this for the exam and know how to draw it as well. So you can see the lines where it goes from development, where a lot of research and development takes place. Then you've got the growth, the maturity, which is at its peak, as we mentioned, and the decline, where people are no longer buy the product. So what are some extension strategies? Changing the product around, so adding new features, changing the price, maybe making it cheaper or even a bit more expensive as there's more innovative features. Changing the place, so the different distribution methods, how it's distributed to the product and the customer, so through retailers and wholesalers, promotion and packaging. So consider the marketing mix here. Killing off old products, so for example, iPod became the iPhone, the DVD became the Blu-ray. So it's all about bringing the product back into the market. So on this slide here, you can have a look at the different stages and how they've explained. You need to make sure you apply this to the business idea if you're mentioning this in your coursework. And in terms of the exam, you need to know each of the features of each stage of the product life cycle. So again, here, as you can see, just to round off, you can see the product life cycle diagram here, right from the development/introduction stage to the decline. So if you have any more questions, then please leave a comment below, and thank you for watching.